back to my channel. So if you already saw me in this t-shirt, you know I did my blowout. So now I'm actually going to do perm rod sets. So Instagram, I asked fussy rod sets and I saw 100% was perm rods for the people who voted. So I have not done perm rod sets in like years. I think the last time I did it, my hair was way shorter. So we'll see how this goes. I actually have 3 sizes. I know this one is missing. Some of them are missing them. So I have the bigger size, and then I have the tiny size, which is these. But I just feel like overall this size, the big size I have, which is the orange perm rods, I have enough that should be enough for my hair. So I'm just gonna stick with these. And yeah, so we'll see. Hopefully it turns out good. I'm only using one product, and that is gonna be this Hawaiian. Oh, I'm sorry. The Hawaiian Silky Triple Butter Shea Butter with Curl Whip Foam Mousse. Alright you guys, so I wanted this to be pretty simple. I try not to make this too long. But I go in with the mousse and then I just made sure that I put it on the whole section, especially on my ends. So I wanted to make sure that my ends were coated with the product. And then I saw this method of twisting on the top, so I did that. But as far as when I actually applied the perm rod sets, I've been doing that for a while. Like the last time I remember this method, you want to make sure that the ends, you probably roll it up within the same direction. I'd say about 3 to 4 times, and then you kind of twirl around to kind of make that corkscrew type of look, so that the curls kind of look like a corkscrew. Looking back, I don't think like me doing the twist really it was just an extra step. You don't have to do it. I will say though that definitely the way you put your perm rod sets really does determine how they're gonna turn out. Like I know in the past, before I learned about this method, I used to do it where I just bunched up all the hair together. Like I rolled it together instead of doing kind of like a roller set like you would get when you had perms and stuff, and my hair just looked like a puffy. So now like this method definitely works really well. But yeah, I'm just gonna do this a couple of times and then I'm gonna kind of just show you guys the end, how it looks at the end, and then you guys will see the takedown. guys, so it's been I think 2 days since I put these in, so we're gonna see how it turns out. Honestly, I have not done a perm rod set for a long time, so I'm gonna go ahead and take one down and we'll see how it goes, and so on and so forth. Guys, so I think I'm done. I'm separating them. I don't want to separate. Oh, I forgot to unseparate this one. I don't want to separate them too much so that it starts getting puffy. But this is my results. I actually like it. I kind of was fearful that it was going to turn out like a hot mess because I have not done, like I said, I haven't done perm rod sets in a long time. But I like it a lot, and I think my method worked really well. You guys are front view. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this perm rod set. I'm really excited and happy about the results, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button and subscribe button so that you're notified every time I post.